Hi friends, welcome to Fun Friday. I'm Miss Lucy. Today we are going to do some magic fizzing shamrocks, and you will need for this particular art project is some white paper to start, a shamrock template. I have it here, and the way you can get a shamrock template is simply just search shamrock outline or shamrock template, and you can have that. Cut it out and then on your white paper, and then you will have it like this, okay? So the process is going to be, friends, to make a fizzy paint. You will need some green paint, some baking soda, some white vinegar. You will need a dropper, a paintbrush, and some cups for your paint and for the vinegar. Okay, friends, measuring spoons because it calls for tablespoons. Our first step is going to be, after we cut our shamrock, is to get 3 tablespoons of baking soda. So there's 1, 2, and 3, with 1 tablespoon of paint, which I'm not going to use my spoon, I am just going to estimate. Okay, then you will take your brush and you will mix it. Friends, I tried this a couple of times. If it's too pasty, it's not going to work, and if it's too watery, it's not going to work. So what I found is that the 1 tablespoon it calls for is not actually accurate. It's one of those things that you're going to have to play with. So I find myself having to add a little bit more paint for it to be able to actually paint your shamrock. Okay, it takes a little bit of mixing, and when you have the desired consistency, you will start painting. You want it to be a little pasty to give you the fizzing effect. Okay, so once you have the desired consistency, you can add just a little bit more. Like I said, you want it pasty but not too clumpy, because then it won't paint. Let's try it out. You paint your shamrock as desired. Have the kids have a good time painting, just like they would anything. The fun of this craft is to be able to paint, which kids already love, and the fizzing effect it's going to give us when we add the vinegar. Okay. Then we are going to pour some vinegar in a cup, and there's no exact measurement on that. You're just going to fill your cup enough to fill your dropper. Take your dropper, you will fill it, and you will drop, and you hear the fizzing of the paint as the vinegar comes in contact. I have found when we do it in the classroom that the kids enjoy to hear the fizzing sound. The more clumps of the paint, the more fizzing effect, and the more the kids get excited. So this is kind of like a painting science activity, and I find that it's a lot of fun. And you just spread it around to hear the fizzing sound. When you are finished, the next day, you will have a shamrock that looks like this. On the front, it'll have a little bit of friction on it because you can touch it, and in the back, it also goes through the back. So you have the front and the back painted. I have 2 different ones here. Thank you, friends. I hope you enjoy that.